Now, what if there was a way for you to earn $5,000 per month creating simple videos online? Would you be willing to do it? My guess is you would die to be able to make simple videos online. So what I want to do in today's video is I want to walk you through the process, how it works, how people are doing it, and show you actual examples that you can follow. Actual examples that you can pretty much replicate, duplicate, and make money from it. So if you're ready, let's go. Now, if your goal is to make money by creating videos, I have a free training that I want you to go and check out. I'll put a link to it down in the description box below. But inside this free training, it's about a 20-minute long video where I show you how to make $500 per month by creating one YouTube video. So if you want to go check that out, I'll put a link down in the description box below. So before I jump into the video, I want to walk you through the process of exactly how you can make $5,000 per month uploading simple videos. I want you to do a couple things. First, smash that thumbs up button because it just helps out the video. The second thing is, I want you to understand why most people actually fail when it comes to creating videos online. The number one reason why most people fail, and this happens all the time, is because everybody overcomplicates the process. Don't overcomplicate it. I show you inside that training exactly how to do it. I show you the process, and it's very simple. What I'm going to show you today, it's very simple. It's not overcomplicated. Okay? Don't complicate something that doesn't need to be complicated. Do not overcomplicate it. The second reason why so many people fail when it comes to making money with videos online is because they don't learn from somebody that has actually done it. I've created a bunch of different free trainings, a bunch of paid courses. I've also taught people one-on-one exactly how to do this, both friends, family members, just people inside the community here on YouTube or over on Facebook. And what I can tell you is, if you don't teach somebody that, or if you don't learn from somebody that has actually done it, you're going to learn from the wrong person, okay? So find somebody that does exactly what it is you want to do and just replicate what they've done. The third reason why so many people fail is because they quit too early. I can tell you from experience, now I have over 30 YouTube channels. I've created more than that. I've sold some, let some die off. Anyway, what I can tell you is that most people quit too early. The majority of my YouTube channels have probably between 60 and 100 videos on the channel. And I can tell you that it takes 30 videos, takes 30 YouTube videos before you see any traction. So if you're trying to make money online, create 30 YouTube videos and see which ones are doing the best. Create more videos just like that, and you're going to see you're going to get more views and make more money. And the fourth reason why so many people fail is because they are trying to work and create different videos every single day. Now, that's fine. I do that. But here's the problem. I do a lot of videos for a bunch of different channels, not just one. What most people are going to do, and probably you in particular, you're going to come in and create one YouTube channel. So what I suggest is you work 1 to 2 days per week. And I say this because, let's say you do 3 videos every single week. You can create those 3 videos in 1 day. Let's say you create 7 videos a week. You can easily create 7 videos in just 2 days worth of work. So cram all the work into those 1 or 2 days. I guarantee you, you're going to see more success and you're not going to get burned out by the whole process. So you ready to see exactly how you can earn $5,000 per month uploading simple videos? All right. Let's jump in the computer and I'm going to show you with examples. Here's the thing that most people don't realize when it comes to creating and uploading simple videos is you don't need to be behind the camera. You do not need to be seen. You don't actually have to speak. You can create simple videos with just text, with photos, and just a little bit of sound. Just some music in the background. And it's very simple, okay? Let me kind of walk you through a few different examples, all right? So here's one right here. This is 10 cheapest sports cars on sale in 2019. Now, obviously, this was done over a year ago, but it's one I just found, picked it up. So here it is. Okay, there's text up here, it's the price, text down here, the model, and the Subaru BRZ, the car, and then there's a bunch of pictures. Okay, how simple is that? Now, you're probably wondering, well, how would I make money off this? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You can send people to a website that issues auto loans, and you can make $500 a pop from those auto loans. You can easily send people to a website where they maybe need to check their credit score. Okay, maybe they want to get a background check on the car done. Okay, what is it? And there's so many different things you can do. Okay, maybe you're gonna sell books. Maybe you're gonna sell parts for the cars. Different things like that. There's a lot of ways you can make money. And the way I prefer to do it is not through YouTube ads. It's through affiliate marketing. Okay, let me show you another one. This one right here. Top 10 beaches in the U.S. in 2019. Now this is a pretty cool one. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, right here, this Moho Travels. Okay, 182,000 subscribers. Okay, they have a lot of videos on their channel, and they have some decent videos. If you look at this, now this right here is a video. I believe it's a video, not just a panning image. This right here is a video as well. Okay, but they just have a bunch of different videos, a bunch of different clips. This one is a picture. Okay, a picture. Another picture. All they're doing is taking simple images, different pictures, little videos that they find on the internet. They take little snippets, little clips of these videos, pack them all together, put them up on, in Adobe Premiere Pro, in Camtasia, in there's Vegas, your Vega Pro, whatever it is. There's so many different things you can use to edit videos together and make it look professional. Okay, let me show you another one. Now I'm going to walk you through something in a second and explain where you can go to get these images, okay? Where you can go to get some of these pictures. It's actually pretty simple, okay? But what you need to understand is to make $5,000 per month uploading simple videos, you don't got to put in a lot of work. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you can work 1 to 2 days max and make more money than you've ever made at your 9-to-5 job. So look at this one right here. Best Diapers 2019 Buying Guide. Cool. Okay, this is done with a site called ReviewTube. Let me show you this because this is gonna floor you. Okay, this person has 123,000 subscribers on their channel. That's a lot of subscribers, right? Well, let me show you this. Here's their channel, and here are some of their videos that they've done. Okay, so this right here was done 7 hours ago, has 245 views. This one, done a day ago, has 211 views. This one 1 day ago, 358 views. 2 days ago, 243. 3 days ago, 633. Here's what you need to understand. This channel, all they do are reviews. Best air freshener. Oops, let me get rid of that. Best thermometer, best workout shoes, best outdoor pizza oven, best meat grinder, best turntables, best humidifier, best personal air cooler, best action camera, best travel stroller, best large USB flash drive. All these things, all they're doing is just reviews. That's it. So if you want to create a channel on doing reviews, just follow what this person does. Follow what ReviewTube is doing. All they do is post different reviews, okay, of different products. Okay, this one right here, talking about the diapers. Well, look at this. Okay, all they have are different links. Okay, links right here. All these links are going to be affiliate links where if you click on one, you go buy the product, they make a small commission. Now, they're not going to make a lot of money from each video, but when they pump out 1 to 2 videos a day, and these videos do fairly well, okay, you're going to make some money. Let me show you some of their most popular videos. So these are their most popular videos. The best air fryer, which was done 2 years ago, 1.5 million views. Okay, protein powder 2 years ago, 1.1 million views. Garage flooring options 2 years ago, 629,000 views. Soundbar 2 years ago, 573,000 views. If just 1% of the people that watch the video buy, they're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars just from promoting the different products. Okay, let me show you another one. And I'm going to show you what you can do in a second, how you can go and find some of these images. Okay, this one, 10 best cloth diapers. This is done by a channel called EasyVid Wiki. Okay, now look at this. This was done on March 28th, 2020. That was over a month ago. Okay, a month and a half ago, and it has 322 views. Not a lot, but look at this. Okay, this is their channel right here. Okay, so best animal traps, 136 views. Okay, 10 best double breast pumps 2020, 69 views. 10 best baby books, 34 views. But look at this, 18 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 19. Scroll down a little bit more. 19, 19, 19 hours, 19 hours, 20 hours, 21 hours, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. You see what I'm showing you here? Okay? And if we go and watch this video, let me show you kind of what it looks like. I'm going to pause the, I'm not going to show you the sound, but let me speed it up really quick. Speed up, you kind of see what it's going to do. All they're doing is flipping through images. There's a guy talking. You probably, maybe you can hear him a little bit, but there's a guy talking, and that's it. Okay? And it's just little number up here talking about the product right here. Shows images of the product. Cool. The product name, simple enough. That's all they do. Okay? And they get a lot of views. Okay? They get a lot of views. And it's mainly because they're uploading multiple videos every single day. And this is just working for them. So that's another option. Now, do I think you're going to be able to create 15 videos a day? Probably not. There's probably a team of people working on these. But, okay, if you have a team of people or you just want to do it all yourself and see how many videos you can pump out in a day, go for it. Okay, it's a great little option. Now look at this. Okay, this is their most popular, well, was their most popular. There we go. Most popular videos. Let me show you that. Okay, so you got just a bunch, let's see, video makers for Windows, best LED headlights. Okay, how to use Easy Vid. Okay, just a bunch of different stuff. Okay, look at that. Pretty simple. Okay, so go and check that out. Go and check out Easy Vid Wiki and see exactly what they have to offer. Now, here's what I suggest to you if you want to create videos like this one and this one, these diaper ones, and something like this and this. Okay, all you got to do. Let's say you're going to do a video on top 10, denture cleaners, cleaning tablets, right? The best denture cleaning tablets. Let's say that's what you're going to do, okay? You can come here, go to more, go to settings, and, go to tools, I believe. All results. Just I haven't done this in a few weeks. Let me go back. So you can go, let me see where it's at. More. Oh, gotta click on images first. There we go. Images. Where is it? Tools. Usage rights. There we go. I found it. And labeled for reuse. Okay? That's all you gotta do. And then now you can take any of these images right here. Any of these images. You can use all these images. Okay? Just go and grab them. Let's say I want this one right here. That's teeth cleaning. I want this one. Right? I don't know why I'd really want that one, but I take that one. All you gotta do, go and open up the image. Okay? Save it, and you're good to go. Okay? That's all you gotta do. It's very simple. Okay? Now, if you want videos, go to a website called Pixabay. Okay? And here's the cool thing about Pixabay is, let's say I just want images. I can come down here and let's say I want this one. Well, the cool thing is I can download it absolutely free. And look, it says free for commercial use. No attribution required, which means I don't have to say where I got it from. Oh, you don't want photos? Don't worry. Nice thing about Pixabay is they also have videos. Okay, so let's say this is the video I want. This one right here. Okay, of this tooth. Someone getting a root canal, looks like. Okay, and let's say I want this one too. And I want this one. And I'm going to throw in one of these just as dinosaur, just to give somebody a kind of idea what their teeth could look like. Right? And that's all I do. I just take a bunch of these images, take a bunch of these videos, and I'd put them all together. Okay? Now, the other thing you can do, now they have a bunch of other things here. Another thing you can do, go to bensound.com, okay, and you can get royalty-free music. You can also use the music that is already on YouTube. You don't have to make it very special. Just take the music that YouTube has in their YouTube library that you can use, that doesn't have any copyrights. Okay, take their music, put it on your video, put it on your overlay of your images, and there you go. You got a perfect video. That's all you gotta do, and create videos like this multiple times a week. Now I suggest you create, one to start. Obviously you need one, but then go on and create 2, 3, 4, 5, and then try to stick to a strategy like 2 a week, 3 a week, 5 a week, maybe 7 videos every single week, and stick to that strategy until you start making more money and you get a lot more views. Now I know I showed you a bunch of stuff inside the video. I showed you different channels that are doing it currently. Now here's what I want you to do. If you have any questions whatsoever, first, okay, before you go and buy one of my courses, the first thing I want you to do is send me a message. Send me a message over at homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com, and I'll answer your questions there. But if you don't want to do that, all you got to do is comment down below. Let me know what your question is, how I can help, what you're struggling with, where you are kind of having a disconnect as to, well, how am I supposed to make money, or how do I create these videos, or where do I get the content to put these videos together? If those are questions you have, ask them down in the comment section below so that I can help you by answering these questions and then giving you the next step, what to do next, how to move forward. All right? So again, if you have any questions whatsoever, ask your questions down in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.